Hooty hoo, all you stock market gamblers. Anyways, I'm Tall Mike, and today is Thursday. I believe it's September 3rd. We got panic going on. A lot of panic, and more panic. Yesterday it was weird. We actually had panic buying. I mean, we had the Dow was up over 500 points. Well, actually closed about 450, I think. But that was panic buying. You know what always follows panic buying? Panic selling. Panic selling. Today, the market is tanking. We got panic selling going on. Anyways, it is interesting what's going on in the marketplace right now. This is not good, by the way. This is not good. Anyways, I mentioned before that something was up because the VIX was rising at the same time the market was rising. Well, today the VIX is shooting up, but the market is finally coming down. Anyways, the market's overdue to give some back. Now, are we going to crash? Is this the big crash that's coming? There is a crash coming. I do not think this is it, though. I think that the market needed to give some back here, but I think that with the election coming up, I think they're still going to be trying to prop this market up. I think the Fed is going to be. I think the Fed's going to do some panic buying. Let's just say. Anyways, do you know that the Fed has actually bought $1 trillion worth of mortgage-backed securities? That's like 1/3 of the marketplace in the mortgage market. That's like crazy. What if they do that in the stock market? What if they what if they just put in $10 trillion tomorrow? You think that would do anything to spike this market? I'm telling you, they're going to try to goose this for the Donald. They're going to try to prop it up. I mean, the election, if this crashes, I don't think the Donald's going to win. Now, I don't think it matters if Biden wins or Donald Trump wins. I don't really think it matters. I think the market's going to come down eventually. A year from now, I think the market's going to be much, much lower. I think it's going to recouple with the economy. The economy is straight downward spiral, but the stock market has been going up and up and up and up. Now, anyways, I think I mentioned in one of my last YouTube videos that I was in the XLK. I had puts on the XLK. Now, technology it's what's driven the market higher. But what usually drives the market higher also drives it lower on the turnaround. Anyways, I had a lot of these puts, and that's what's saving me today. I'm actually a happy guy today. Puts. Now, don't get me wrong. I got some stuff that's not doing so well, like the gold and silver markets are kind of taking a hit right now. Anyways, I also got the GDXJ. The GDX is taking a hit today. It's going down with the rest of the market. Isn't that funny? I actually think that those have not gone up all that much compared to like what the tech stocks are doing, what the FANG stocks are doing, what Facebook, the Google, the Apple, the Amazon, anyways, the Netflix. These are all just going up. But these are what's going to go down. But anyways, I still like the GDX and GDXJ. I actually think this is some buying opportunity. I'll probably be adding more. Will I add more today? Maybe. Might wait till tomorrow, but when gold and silver take a hit, I'm a stacker. I like to buy the physical. I like to add to my positions. But anyways, what protected my long positions was my puts on the XLK. And those, now, is this a sign of a healthy market right here? 500 points up yesterday. Maybe we're going to crash down 1,000 today. I don't know. I don't think so. I think this is the sign of a top. It's a sign that the market is hitting a top. You have to buy protection. You have to buy something that's going to just protect you to the downside, because there's some downside coming. I really believe that. But what we had was a lot of stupid money going into the market. Stupid money coming in late. Okay, my friend, I love the guy, but he is the epitome of stupid money. Anyways, in our phone conversation yesterday, he just told me about Tesla. He bought it right just below $500 a share after the split. I think it's already approaching down to $400. I mean, that's Oh, the poor guy. I mean, that's a 20% hit. I think Tesla's already in a bear market. But this was stupid money. You had these Robinhood guys that are going in, they're buying Tesla. Tesla, after the split, it's going higher. It's going higher. Anyways, did they really evaluate the upside to this? Let's say Tesla doubled from 500 and did go to 1,000 again. Anyways, it would be valued at $1 trillion. It would be worth more than all the other auto companies in the whole world combined. And they were buying this on margin. They were buying it with debt. I feel sorry for them. And I'm not laughing at all these Robinhood traders that were doing this, but you got to think, what's your upside to that? What is the upside? There's a lot of downside in Tesla. There's still a lot of downside in Tesla. I know they tell you to buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips. I'm not sure it's the right thing to do right now. The market's looking very toppy to me. Same with Apple. Apple, and don't get me wrong, Apple's been on a tear straight up at over $2 trillion. I think it was at $2.3 trillion. But you got to look at what is the risk-reward relationship. Okay, so say Apple doubles. Say it goes to $5 trillion. Not going to happen, by the way. That's just not going to happen. Okay, so your upside isn't that great, but your downside, the downside is painful, especially if you're buying on margins. Don't buy this market on margins right now. Now, like I say, I do not think we're going to crash before the election. I just do not think so. I think that the Fed will come in with whatever it takes. I mean, they'll come in with trillions if they have to prop this market up. They're going to try to buy the election for Donald Trump. Is it possible? Sure, it's possible. If we crash here, I don't think we're going to have the Donald for another 4 years. But anyways, if it crashes here, what's Biden going to do? Well, he's going to spend money. He's going to spend money we don't have. He's going to try to prop it up. Everybody wants to prop this market up. I say let the free market control it. Let's find out what price discovery is. I mean, there hasn't been much price discovery in the marketplace. But anyways, we got panic selling today. We got a lot of panic selling today. Do I think this is the big crash? You never know. I don't know. Could it be? Sure, it could be. I just don't think so. I don't think we're ready for the big crash yet. But, I'm actually thankful for this. I mean, I saw it coming. I bought my XLK puts, and they're protecting my long positions. And, we're going to be okay, but there's going to be more trading opportunities. See, that's what a gambler does. He looks for these opportunities. I'm not a long-term holder. I'm going to be out of most of these XLK puts. Maybe not today, because I think we do still have some more downside coming. But it's kind of weird. We got Labor Day weekend right now, and usually we drift up into the Labor Day weekend. We sell off after it. So next week could be painful. Be careful next week. Yeah, be careful. We got after Labor Day, September, historically very volatile, and it's actually one of the worst months of the year for the stock market. Now, we started off with the first couple days, much higher, 500 points just yesterday on the Dow. But anyway, September, can be rocky. It's going to be a tough month. It's going to be tough from here through the election. But I really do think they're going to prop it up again. I do. I don't think this is the big crash. I do think a big crash is coming. I think this time next year we're going to be much, much lower than we are. But I do think we're going to get another prop up in the marketplace. I do think that, it always hurts me when I see the stupid money coming. They're called retail traders. They don't really know what they're doing. They don't understand that much about the marketplace. But when the retail traders were coming with margin, we're close to a top. Be very careful. Be very cautious. Anyways, maybe buy some puts, just to protect yourself. XLK, I'm loving my puts on that. And that's all I got for today. Just be cautious out there. This is that the market is very toppy right here. 500 up, 1,000 down. This market can crash, can be dangerous. Protect yourself. Anyways, I'm Tall Mike for the Stock Market Gambler. Once again, hey, hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to see what I'm doing with my own trading, subscribe to my newsletter. Stockmarketgambler.com. Just put your name and email in there, and I send you out little updates. Do it. It's free. What the heck? Anyways, that's all I got for today. Painful day in the markets. I hope you had some protection on. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. I think we're going to get a little dead cat bounce tomorrow, but be careful. Be careful going into next week. Anyways, that's all I got. Get out there and do some trading. Love you guys. Bye.